Nope.
Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today we're watching brave pups failing and succeeding at being the ultimate protectors. That dog really said, "Not in this house, young man." Even when they're sick, they're never alone. Their furry guardian is always watching over them. The boars took one look at that dog and decided the forest was better.
What is it?
Who needs a lifeguard chair when you have 4 legs and a tail?
I do what I want. Yeah. Oh! All right, I'm sorry. Chill. Good, you.
He's not just a dog, he's the safety inspector. Give him a whistle.
You jump in.
Forget a stepladder, the 4-legged model is much softer.
Alright, Patch, you jumped in the pool the other day, okay? So, are you gonna let mommy get in the pool? Patch, can mommy get in the pool? But what? No. Patch.
0% chance of a nightmare with this 5-star security system on duty.
Remus, can you go check who that is? Thank you. Do your guard dog duties, please.
Avanti.
This one's taking his good boy certification to the professional level.
Vai, coccole más.
I'm just burping him. I'm not hurting him. No, he's fine.
I believe this is the only workplace benefit that actually matters.
So I walk into the room and I see this. What's this? What we got? We got a social going on here? What's this? Huh? What's this? Huh? Huh? Lana. Hey. Hey.
Mommy, please include me in the rotation.
Treats, chocolate, apple, lemon, hug. Hug ako.
Furry lifeguard. I don't care if you have floaties, Kevin. The vacation is over.
I heard a coyote howl in the distance, and that got all of my dogs riled up. All of my Corsos came to surround me and protect me, and my Belgian was out sniffing around trying to see what she can find. This is high-level protection dog.
Protect.
Doggo is so proud next to his princess.
Жадюка такая, а? Run back here.
Just me, or is he giving the vibe of a grumpy neighbor?
Theo! He left.
There he goes.
The owner is practicing their Olympic dive, but the puppy is ready to call 911.
Samson! He's not drowning, man. He's swimming.
Burglars or bad people try to come in the house, you gotta attack them and protect mommy at all costs. Okay? Can I have a 5 on that? All right. Good job.
Access denied. That dog just saved the pool from a massive splash. When your dog is more worried about your work-life balance than your actual boss is.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. This is dinosaur. It's okay. It's okay, Mama.
I should protect them.
Try to go in, Emery.
Yeah, Emery, try to go inside.
Go in the pool.
Yeah, go.
Zoe would not let this boy go past that.
Status needs constant supervision and smells like milk. Did these protectors make you laugh? Like and subscribe for more. See you soon.